This is the box game called Ambush. This is a solitaire game for squad level fighting in World War II. This is from 1983, so it's definitely an old classic. So it comes with some booklets, of course. You've got your rules. You're going to have your charts. You're going to have your different equipment lists. You've got maps with grids, and then lots of tokens, a couple of different dice, and an assortment. Well, you can see they're kind of mixed up right now, but a way to sort out all the tokens. And then, of course, the cards. So everything you need. This is like many of the bookcase games. In this box, this one is solitaire, but it's a lot of fun to play with others. There's a good amount of random and a good amount of structure in this one. Originally, these were about 35 bucks, and they're classics now, of course, if you get one. Hope you enjoy it. Hope this helps.